Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to do World X Reach Boy trend on Instagram. So here you can see sample. Okay, so for this, just go to Reels and select any filter. Just click on this filter and click on search and type as world. Okay, so this is a first one, World X Rich Boy. Just click on this one. Now here you can see there is normal camera. Go to add photo and there will be a next as add media. Okay, so now here we will click on add media and I will select one video or one photo. Here you can see I have selected one photo. Now press and hold on this circle. Your video will start getting ready. So the video is getting recorded. So here you can see the audio is muted here. So once it is done, you need to click on preview and click on next. So your video is ready. So now you can post this video. So this is how you can use this filter.